August 4, 2026. It's gonna be the start of my senior. It's gonna be the start of my senior year, which is crazy. I don't know how to feel. I feel a bunch of emotions, you know, excited, nervous, confused, and tired because the new schedule is a full schedule now. Before in my school, we would do double session because we're sharing a school with another school because their school had problems with their facility. So they came to our school to learn, which was what we've done for the past 3 years of me in high school. But now that we're in full schedule, I might miss my naps like in the afternoon, how I did it before. But yeah, it's a new thing that we have to adapt to. So yeah, stay tuned. So this is the last week of summer, and okay, today is actually my laundry day because it's Tuesday. So I'm gonna do my laundry. We only have a little liquid left. I'm gonna put water. Here's the washing machine. Here's the last bit of soap. And you just pour it. Wait, there's still more soap. Wait. Wait, I think that's too much water now. Wait, maybe 2 pots. And then put the clothes in. And there you have it. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go jogging for the last week of summer. But yeah, I just realized that that's such a bummer. This week is the last week of summer. Hey, what's good guys? Oh wait, I should stop the music. It was raining earlier while I was driving and there was an accident somewhere. So it was kind of traffic, but we made it, which is good. Thank the Lord for his protection. But we're here. Let's get out of here. Wait, one more sip of my water. Okay guys, it's like really flooded where I'm from, but we're still gonna jog. We're still gonna make it. Oh gosh. Why did I decide to go today? I don't know why. Okay guys, we're gonna stretch. Alright guys, so this is our path. That's how it looks. This is my 3rd lap. I'm only gonna do 3 laps today. I rested a little for the 3rd lap and then now I'm jogging again. Ooh. For my 2nd lap, which is my main lap, it is at 6 minutes 15. No, 6 minutes 16. The lowest I got was 6 minutes. It's still good though. Okay guys, I'm done. Yeah. Okay guys, done jogging. Oh, it's raining. And I thank God for holding the rain for me while I was jogging. I literally just got in my car, wiping my sweat off, and now I just see the rain. Alright guys, come to the store with me. The Arizona that I want.
Table lang. Happy birthday by the way.
Thank you. Ano ba bayad ka nun?
Ako na, bayad din.
Bayad na yan? Ah, binayad naman doon?
Online.
Meron kasi ang mga tips dito. May kutsito, may sabi niya. Ay, meron niya pa ang bantay ah.
Nobody but you. I don't wanna know nobody but you. They said they're gonna tell us.
Busy sila.
Sino? Di sila pupunta?
Hindi, order na.
Choco pancake.
Oo.
And
Sure na lang tayo. Ay, water lang. Water lang.
I'll get Sprite.
Oo, may dalawa. We're still waiting for two.
Okay, no problem. I'll start with the drink then.
Ano, order na ba?
The broccoli, one rice, corn.
And
I'll get the crispy chicken bacon. Can you make the sides onion rings?
and then we'll get the pancake. Ay, anong pancake?
Siguro.
Chocolate.
For now.
The
Wait.
chocolate chips. Chocolate chips.
Oh.
Cake.
Nag-order ako nitong mushroom chicken dinner.
Ako na. Hindi na lang kami.
It's occupied natin yung isa.
You can also do badminton. Everything.
Ha?
At saka pag $15. At saka ano, dapat na hindi.
I'm doing it properly this time. Pero prefer niya yung second one. Okay. So Sabado, ano kayo? Sabado.
Depende. Did you guys? Ang daming gravy. Yo, ang daming gravy.
Sorry. Sorry, Ben.
Good morning, guys. Today is senior sunrise, but I have to wake up so early. It's 4 a.m., which is the time that I woke up. I woke up at 4 a.m. The thing starts at 5. So I'm still gonna get ready. Wait, let me drink water first. I'm so excited, but also I kind of don't know where it is, and I'm just gonna follow a Google map. So I probably won't shower right now. I might shower after the bonding. So yeah. Hopefully there's people I know that come there. I only know one person that's coming that I know. Or 2 people. Okay guys, here's the fit. I'm just wearing, this is Muji. This is Alfani. These ones are Champion shorts. Alright guys, we're gonna now attempt to go there at Dusitani Beach. Lord, I pray for your okay, so we're gonna attempt to go there. And then I have my bag.
Head east on make a U-turn.
Oh. And then I'm gonna stop filming so that I can follow the Google Maps, okay? So yeah. Alright guys, we made it. Hey! Oh, I'm so happy. Thank the Lord that we got here, because I was so scared that I wasn't gonna know where to go. But yeah. We're here, Dusitani. By the way, it's at Dusitani Beach Resort. That's where the senior sunrise is, by the way. Yeah. Okay, I had to back up the car first because I needed to get my beach chair. Here's the chair. Oh yeah, and also an umbrella. Okay, guys. Okay, we're here. Guys!
Okay, wala.
Who else is here? Okay, guys, how are we feeling for today's senior sun? This is the senior sun.
She got coffee later.
Oh yeah.
Maybe have the
And
other
food.
one. I like the coffee there.
Yeah.
Hi vlog. We're seniors now.
Oh no. Oh, that's Jill. Jill, she has brookies, right? Hey, what's up? Oh, senior sunrise. Where's the sun? Okay.
Wait, for real? They're really fudgy though. So. No, I love fudgy.
Thank you. Was awesome.
Oh, enjoy.
Yeah. Robinson. Robinson. Oh, so mean. It's so Okay, guys. We're vlogging our senior sunrise, okay? Hey, Robinson, how are you feeling today? I don't know. I hope they're.
These are good.
Yeah, that's Andre. I thought that was Tobin's. Okay, the sun is rising. I'm gonna name my vlog The Sun is Rising. The senior exit.
You should put it.
Where's the sun? Hey, we can take a picture of the building.
Oh yes. Oh no, it's gonna get hot.
Yeah, it's good. When are we gonna record our song? Our song? So the end of song.
Oh my gosh, you know there's this song.
Okay guys, we wrote this song
It's
back in April or May.
yeah, and by we he means he.
And we never recorded it. I think we're disbanding.
No,
As
no.
a group.
We work better under pressure, so we have to do it on the spot.
Where's the car? Oh, there. Oh, that's cool.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh. Oh wow, it's pretty dark. But you know what? Risk it all. I'd risk it all. Oh, that's a hook. Why is there a road?
Oh my god.
Woo! Let's go, senior sunrise. Senior sunrise. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Senior sunrise. Woo! Go down. Senior sunset. Oh, Chandel. Senior sunrise.
You look like I'm running around.
You should wear that on the first day of school. They're gonna contraband it, but.
This is a lot harder than
Let's go, Haley. Woo! Woo! Your arm.
Your arm.
So nice. All my seniors out here for the last time, last moments. For art? Oh yeah, for art.
Or pre-engineering.
I like.
Not AP Cal.
Well, I want to take AP Personal Finance.
Oh yeah, me too.
Let's go to interview. How do you guys feel about the full schedule?
I'm excited, but not excited.
I'm used to like getting to like already. Oh, great. Great, just in time for senior year. I like getting out of school early, that's the thing. We can
That's
like
true.
a little late.
Hey, that's true.
That's like 10 minutes.
Hey, go run to the beach. And
So
like,
like it's
to
a
like play on your hair.
right
Go
now?
run, yeah.
Go. Just like take a picture of me and then like edit me like running to the beach.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
That was so good. That was so good. Everyone's leaving now. After we took that great photo. I hope I remember where I parked. Bro, I brought my beach chair and everything. Okay, let's go. Bye, beach. See you at sunset. Oh. This here's day Thursday of my vlog. You have to say, Tristan.
Music. Music is life.
No,
Vocal files never stop.
Jesus is life.
Oh, you're right. Jesus is the way, the truth, the life. Well, vocal files never stop.
Because you forced us to. And now we have to go out of our obligation for Mr. Furzo's class.
Yeah.
You're welcome. I'm enhancing your musical abilities.
He didn't even start lonesome.
Okay.
It's this one, right?
We're gonna go walk around after this.
Yeah, let's go outside.
We're gonna
We need
we're
to
gonna
touch
eat and then
grass,
we're
touch
gonna
rain.
record. Okay, ready? Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland One more time, I ran out of breath. Me too. What can a man do to get a good one?
What's the close today?
I don't know. It looks like well, it says they're open. Okay, one more time. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland
I don't know when to jump.
Hey guys, this is Edelweiss. Didn't tonics, you didn't reply.
So you have to see. We're gonna.
Edelweiss, every morning.
Going down.
Hello guys, it is Friday, and yeah, today I'm gonna make bread pudding, but instead of the actual mixture, I'm gonna use melted ice cream. See, melted ice cream. Oh wait, no, this is not melted yet, but we're gonna melt it. I might just microwave this a bit and then smush it. So yeah, we're gonna use that instead of the actual egg, milk, vanilla mixture. We're gonna attempt to make bread pudding. I ate bread pudding yesterday and it was so good, so I was inspired to make bread pudding. They said the Japanese bread works really well, but I only have this one, so we're gonna use this one, Guam Bakery. If you know me, I love bread. I made a lot of videos about bread. I've also made a vlog about bread that I never posted. If you want me to post it, just let me know. So first we get ice cream. I'm not sure how much. I'm just really guessing at this point. Wait, I don't even know if I have a pan to put this stuff in. But anyway. Hey guys, I think this is done. Yeah, that's very done. Oh, it's actually golden brown, which is pretty good. I mean, it's already cooked. I could have eaten it like raw. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. Whoa. It doesn't look that great. Maybe I should have put like more liquid. But like we only had ice cream, so maybe I'll do it the proper way next time. Still good. Hey, what's up, what's up? Today is Saturday. Today I went shopping a little bit for school supplies that I don't have yet. I already have a lot of school supplies, so I didn't need to buy that much. Yeah, I also had to buy like a kid backpack because that's what the seniors do on the first day of school, I think. That's how it works. I really want to try doing at least most of the events for senior year since it is our last year and I need to make the most of it. Being youthful and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what's in my bag. It's a Ninja Turtles bag. Woo. I haven't watched Ninja Turtles in a while though. I kind of forgot the whole story. I don't know if I'm gonna use this like during the whole week or just the first day. I'm just gonna ask my friends if they're gonna wear it. I have my pencil case. This is Muji. I have a correction tape eraser. I have correction pen, red pen, a lead pencil from Muji, and this is my favorite pen. It's Precise V5 ball pen, which is really good. I love this pen. This green lead pencil, which was given to me by a friend, which is so nice. 0.5. I really like 0.5. This Papermate pen. This is really if anyone wants to borrow a pen, I can lend this to someone. I have so much lead. I don't know why. Yeah, I have 2 packs of lead, but I have a third one, but I don't know where it went. Got a bunch of highlighters too. Orange, blue, pink, yellow. Sticky notes. You don't know if you need to add stuff to the information that you already have, and you don't want to put it in another page or else you'll like get lost in your notes. So it's good to have sticky notes. And then stapler. Good. It comes in handy when teachers don't have staplers, and it's easier, more convenient for you to use your own stapler. So that's everything in my pencil case. I have these notebooks here. If you can't tell, we're going polka dot theme this year. These are like notebooks from back in 7th grade. I think I mentioned this one time in another back to school vlog where my teacher in 7th grade, she had a bunch of notebooks. So I grabbed like 20 notebooks and it lasted me through all of high school, which is so convenient. Oh, there's a pigeon. Wait, look at, oh. I also have these other notebooks just in case. I don't know, but yeah, these are just spare notebooks. I have a folder. This lasted me since freshman year as well. You know what didn't last me a long time is these binders that break, where the spine breaks. It's so annoying when they break, and I put like electric tape on it to keep it together. I had so much stuff in my binder to the point where the binder's kind of like slanted when you close it and it leaves a gap. Speaking of binders, I bought 2 new binders, a white and black one. I'm not gonna bring these tomorrow because I don't think we're gonna do much on the first day. I hope not. I already know that there's gonna be like all about me projects, so I gotta get ready for that. And then I bought a fan. I heard that some of the classes won't have air cons, so if one of my classes don't have air cons, this will come in handy. This is pretty loud though. Hopefully if the class is loud and hot, I can use this fan. I hope all my teachers are chill though. There's like one class I'm worried about, and that's AP Lit. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but we'll see. I bought this calculator. This is a new scientific calculator. Here's another pencil case because sometimes I would accidentally leave this at home. So I keep this one in my bag at all times. So I never take it out because usually I use this, right? Oh, there's the other lead. That's where I put it. Okay, that's basically it in my bag. I'm gonna bring a water bottle, this green one, and I have a lunch box with the separators because I told you guys that we're full schedule now, right? We're gonna eat lunch at school. Yeah, that's it. Bye guys. I think if this is the end of the last week of summer vlog, then bye guys, see you at school. if I do a vlog of the first day. Stay tuned for school vlogs if I have the motivation to do that.